Atomic is the first non-custodial wallet with a cross-chain atomic swap technology. It's a multi-asset wallet that supports all the top blockchains and over 300 tokens. You can buy crypto with a credit card, write an Atomic Wallet interface, and swap it within a built-in exchange service. With Atomic Wallet, you can manage all of your cryptocurrency assets in a decentralized way. You can swap your coins and tokens with no counterparty risk. All private data are stored in an encrypted manner on the end-user device and never leave it out, so your money is totally under your control. It's the convenient and versatile decentralized solution for custody-free cryptocurrency managing. You can add a custom ERC20 token to Atomic Wallet and participate to any airdrop or bounty with it. Claim AWC tokens by leaving an email in the Airdrop tab. Download the app now at atomicwallet.io and take control of your funds in one secure interface.